2011 winner of the Heisman Trophy is Robert Griffin III, RG3!
Well, now my socks are out there, I've got nothing to lose, right? This moment right here, it's unbelievably believable. It's unbelievable because in the moment, we're all amazed when great things happen. But it's believable because, great things don't happen without hard work. The great Coach Art Briles always says great things only come with great effort. And we've certainly worked for this. That's right, everybody associated with Baylor University has a reason to celebrate tonight. To my teammates, I'd like to say thank you. And as we say, the hotter the heat, the harder the steel. No pressure, no diamonds. We compete, we win. We are Baylor. Baylor we are and Baylor will always be. But it's up to us to define what that means. And this Heisman Trophy is only the beginning of that process. To Baylor Nation, I say this is a forever kind of moment. May we be blessed enough to have many more like it in the future. God always has a plan. And in this moment, God always has a plan, and it's our job to fulfill it. And in this moment, we have. To my dad, my mom, my fiance, my sisters, Jahan and Dejan, my beautiful niece, Hope, to my family, to my friends, to my teammates, to Coach Briles and the coaching staff, to the Baylor administration, to Kent Starr, to the city of Copperas Cove, to the city of Waco, and all of Baylor Nation, I say thank you for all your love and support through the tough times like knee surgeries and glorious moments like this one. Thank you to the Heisman Trophy Trust and all the Heisman Trophy winners for giving me a chance to be a part of this family. And last but not least, I want to thank God for giving me all these great people to be in my life. Thank you.